man, does it feel good to see real estate agents making some good money. I got another email today. It consistently happens. I know you've been seeing it on our Facebook page. I wanted to read this to you. Both homes got closed. Commissions were $21,400 and $27,250. That's about what I made for the whole year last year, and it happens to be what I made today as well. This is from one of our luxury real estate agents that have been through the luxury training, and more importantly, is implementing these things within their own business. You can see some details on that little video at luxuryagentblueprint.com. You probably see a description in the, or a link in the description here, but we're seeing this happen all the time. And let me tell you what I mean by this. So a lot of real estate agents struggle because they're meeting with typical run-of-the-mill homeowners that don't really have any equity to pay them. So commission always comes up, and they're selling homes and feel like they're losing money on the deal. What you'll find is as you start to break into that luxury real estate market, not the $50 million houses, but just moving up the ladder a little bit, well above the median price range, what you'll find is these homeowners and home buyers, for that matter, they don't really make decisions based on price. They make decisions based on value. That's why they're not driving a Kia. That's why they don't wear clothes from Walmart. Like they're paying premiums. Heck, they'll pay $5,000 for a purse. As a matter of fact, they have multiples because it depends on the outfit that they're wearing, right? So as you move up that ladder, you can do a value stack and providing more value for that seller if you're representing the seller, or where I love to help agents in breaking into the luxury market, the buy side. I think you'll agree, sometimes it's hard to sell a very expensive listing, but if you have the buy side, you kind of control the market. So a lot of times what we teach, and you'll see in these case studies that I was just telling you at this link here, we teach them that if you're going to get into that higher market, it's best to start on the buy side. Pick up some luxury level buyers. They'll probably need to sell their current home in the median price range and then move up to that larger home. So you have a listing in the lower price, sells in a minute, and then you have a buyer in the higher price where there's not multiple offers, it's not hard to find inventory, and you're not fighting with, other buyers that are buying the same property. So it really puts you in the right position. I did a bunch of case studies on this, showed a breakdown of the ads that are being ran, the scripts that we're using, how to break into that luxury market. Again, you'll see some details on that at luxuryagentblueprint.com. Now, when you go there, let me tell you what you're going to see. And again, there's a link in the description somewhere. But if you go there, you're going to see a little kind of an opt-in section to put in your name, email, and phone number. That tells me that you watched it. I'm not calling you or anything like that. And it may only ask for email. I don't know. But when you go there, it will immediately play this case study and pictures of the actual ads we use and the scripts we use and how we use that target marketing, not only offline, but online as well. I mean, I've always pointed out to everybody, like, I've targeted you. There's a way that you go after the people that you're most interested in. And what happens is once they get in your loop, they start seeing your stuff all the time. I want you to think about that as a real estate agent yourself. So if you get good at marketing, particularly as you want to work in the luxury market with everything that's changed today, you can't learn from somebody that's 70 or 80 years old and has had the same system for 30 years. The business has changed drastically. So the way that we're getting in front of people has also changed. So I want you to check that out. By the way, if you find this kind of stuff helpful, I want to make sure you like this video here because you know how marketing works. You're going to get some awesome information that will consistently help you with growing your real estate business just by doing that, by liking this video. Obviously, you'll want to make sure you're following our page here and turn on your notifications as well. But the goal being, if you're tired of struggling with real estate and working with people that just, they love you and you do a great job and you guys get along well, they just don't have any money to give you, what you've got to do is learn how do I get up just a little bit higher in price range. Couple of notches, 2, 3, 4 notches higher to work with people that do in fact have the equity that they can pay you and want to do so. They buy premium services. If you told them, here's my regular listing fee, or if you want all the bells and whistles, they're going to consider the bells and whistles, even if it is at 7% or whatever that number is. So I'll show you how to do all of that. I think you'll find it helpful. Obviously, share this video with any real estate agents that you know that maybe are looking to break into that luxury market. We all have friends in the business, right? So make sure you share that as well, or tag them in the comments here if you'd like. Again, luxuryagentblueprint.com is where you'll go to watch these case studies, but I think you're going to find it very revealing. Agents that had no experience, and they're like, well, what do I do if they ask me if I've ever sold a luxury house before? You do know that every single realtor sold their first luxury house, right? Let me just show you how you do that. And then we can get to what do we need to do every single month to build your business. So anyway, check it out. You'll see it at luxuryagentblueprint.com. Make sure you like the video here and follow the page. Turn on notifications. We got a lot coming to you about luxury real estate over the next couple of weeks. But again, I just saw this today. Both homes closed. This is in one day. Both homes closed. Commissions were $21,400 and $27,250. That's about what I made for the whole year last year, and it happens to be what I made today as well. This being from an agent out on the West Coast. On the East Coast. So luxuryagentblueprint.com, check it out, and I think you're going to find it incredibly helpful. Go out and sell some houses. I'm Greg Luther. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.